In today's video, I'm going to teach you Lovable AI, how to build an app and upload to App Store tutorial. We'll start by creating your app in Lovable, then turn that live site into a store-ready app with Median, and finish by accessing your Apple developer tools. Let's dive in with a clear, simple workflow you can follow from start to finish. Begin by heading to lovable.dev and creating a new project. Give it a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. This will be the foundation of what eventually appears in the App Store. So think about the core purpose of your app and who it's for. When prompted, write a detailed description of your application. The initial prompt is crucial because it guides the build. Describe the problem you're solving, your primary users, the main screens you need, essential features, navigation, and any design cues like color schemes or tone. Plain, specific language works best. Avoid adding any private or sensitive information. Keep everything general and safe to share. Once Lovable generates your app, review it carefully and refine it. Tweak text, layouts, and interactions to match your vision. Test your core flows end to end, like onboarding and key actions your users will take. Check responsiveness on both desktop and mobile previews and make sure forms, buttons, and error states behave as expected. Polish copy for clarity, confirm branding looks clean, and ensure there's nothing sensitive in the content before moving forward. When you're satisfied, publish the app from Lovable. Wait for the deployment to complete, open the live site, and copy the public URL. This link is exactly what we'll use to create your store app. Next, go to median.co and start building your mobile application from that URL. Paste the link, then customize branding and interface elements such as your app name, icon, colors, and splash screen. Use the preview to verify that navigation feels native, links open correctly, and the experience is smooth. Keep permissions minimal and consistent with what your app actually needs. When everything looks right, generate the build targeted for the App Store. Now head to App Store Connect and sign in with your Apple developer account. This is where you'll manage your app's presence and settings for distribution. If you don't yet have a developer account, visit developer.apple.com and register. Follow the prompts to complete your profile. Approval can take a little time, so plan accordingly. That's the complete flow from idea in Lovable to a store-ready build via Median and into your Apple developer console. Congratulations, you've taken your app from concept to App Store readiness.